Good morning and sliding in afternoon. Nana here, also known as Judy Allan in San Antonio, Texas. I don't know about you, we have 82-degree weather today, so does not feel like winter time. But anyway, it's okay. It's a beautiful day, and we're going to make some quick and easy thank you cards, right? We just had the holidays, received gifts, and I know we owe some people some thank you notes. So that's why I thought it's appropriate today because our kit that we would have wrapped up today was still making the Christmas stockings, and Christmas is over, right? Doesn't mean we can't still use them, but it was better to go and show you how we can make some quick and easy thank you cards. So that's what we're going to do today. And Zoe and Nana will be live tomorrow at 3 o'clock, I believe it is. 2 o'clock, I'm sorry, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. We're moving it from Sunday to Saturday tomorrow because Zoe's traveling. All right. So with that, let's go down the hands. Let me show you how we can make some beautiful quick and simple cards. All right, quick and easy, quick and easy. Let's go down those hands. So we're actually using this kit. There are 9 cards in this kit, and everything is in here already. It came with a stamp set, right? So anytime you see the ink in the stamp set, when you have stamping in a kit, you're going to get a block. So however many kits you ever get, you will get blocks if it's got stamping in it. It has dimensionals, but I'm saving those. I like to give these away as gifts. It also comes with an ink spot, so there's your sign that we're going to be doing some stamping, right? So again, something I give away as door prizes. And this kit makes 9 cards, all right? 9 cards. It also comes with some ribbon here, string, and then we also have some bling here. And it also has the glue dots too. So let's do this, right? Because it is quick and easy. I just made sure to pull out the stuff I usually give away. And it's no different than when we do paper pumpkin. Kits are the same way. We're getting this particular first card is the thank you card, which they're all thank you cards. I don't know why I said that, but it's okay. And it's beautiful, right? This would be very beautiful to cut it in half and make 2 cards out of it, but we're not. We're just going to sit here and do like the instruction says. So they have us put this on here, and then all we're going to do is we're going to put some glue dots on the back of here. So you can see, I don't think they're even using dimensionals on this one at all. There's no dimensionals. It's just strictly using glue dots on this one. Even when we go to do the thank you does have it. So in this particular card, we're not going to be doing any stamping. They already have the words thank you for us. That's already been pre-printed and die cut, which we have right here. So they actually do have that on dimensionals. I was trying to see with the glare of the light here. It's sort of hard for me to see. Let's just get the glue dots on and get it on. So these are just very, very simple cards. And like I said, with the kit, there's 9 of them, right? So I'm trying to think right offhand how many thank you cards I personally need. I'm not even sure how many Zoe needs. But I know 9 most probably isn't going to be enough. So the thing is, like I said, if you wanted to cut these in half and add some cardstock to them, that would work well too. So they have us just coming over here to the edge here. Right there. And then we're going to turn them around and put, so they actually use mini dimensionals on this instead of the regular size dimensionals. And that's because if you look at the sides of the word here, the letters and all, that's why we're using it, right? Because we can easily get a small dimensional behind these. So if you've never used this kind of kit before, it's just like the paper pumpkin, except these are kits you can get anytime. And it's not on a subscription basis. And until they run out. So you see where they put the little white little hexagon, looks like there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6. So yeah, it's 6-sided. So they show you where they put it on here. Just to give you an idea of those there. So you don't really have to know what to do, right? It just sort of guides you along. You just got to be able to read with the instructions they gave you and follow the instructions. And I can tell you already, I didn't follow the instructions because they had me sit there put 2 dimensionals on the very first letter there with a T, which I could go back and put another one. I didn't spread it out the way they did, but that's okay. Right? Okay, so we're just going to put this on. And then this card has 3 embellishments they've put on here. And then the card's done. All right? So you look at the time. We've only been live for 4 minutes. Best I can tell. And we already have a thank you card. Okay, so that is just how quick and easy this is. Like I said, we don't have the embellishments on there, but we'll get them on there. And they have a, didn't even tell me what size, but it's okay. So they're just putting embellishments on here. And again, All you have to do is look at the instructions, and the instructions has where you can look at it and you see where they placed it. Sometimes I place it where they did it, and sometimes I don't. Okay, so there you go. We got our 3 on there, and there is card number 1. All right, let's flip over to card number 2. So card number 2, they have us doing some stamping. So I actually have this here, and it shows you the embellishments, and we're going to also stamp a sentiment here. So I have mine already up on blocks, and because basically when we get through with the live here, I'm just going to go and finish up the other 6 cards so I can get my thank you cards out today. Today, that's my goal. Get them out today. So they just have us turn this way here. So if you use landscape or portrait, this will be portrait, right? And I'm just going to stamp here in this corner. And then we're going to stamp down here in this corner. Alright, in addition to that, they have us taking and stamping a sentiment. The sentiment says, I appreciate you so much. Right? So thank yous just aren't only for Christmas gifts, right? It could be thank you for anything. But I'm using mine for Christmas gifts. Alright, so we got our stuff stamped. Now all we're going to do is put our dimensionals back here. And they just have us scattering them around here because we've got a large piece. So yes, I hope everybody had a very nice Christmas and have very nice holidays. And the kids got to be enjoying being out of school. And parents, was probably spending time with the kiddos. How about that? Good times. If you like us with 82-degree weather, you can do outdoor activities easily. All right, let me close this up so I don't dip my hand in here. All right, so we're just going to take the adhesives off of the back of these dimensionals. So so dimensionals have just 2 sticky sides, right? One that's actually to the, right here where it is begin with you. So it leaves you a sticky side, and then we just peel off paper on the other side to get the sticky side on the other side. Here we go. And let's see, yeah, I'm just trying to make sure I get it on the same directions, but it doesn't matter, right? Now this, you could add wing Castilla, but it's got gold foil. I don't know if you can see the gold foil on here. See it, gold foil? So you really don't have to do anything. That's the only thing about some of these kits is that they are so pretty as is. You just don't need to do anything. In fact, the one I just made had gold foil. Let me go back and show you that just as soon as I get this on. Here's the last one we did. And see the gold foil? You really have to tilt that paper to see the gold foil, but it is there. It is there. It is there. So this card is done. All right, except for the bling, and then we're going to set it aside. You do these little, yeah, they're sort of sticking everything. That's right. So they got you putting one down here, and then they have us putting 2 up here. And again, I always try to do at least the cards the way they are one time as they come, right? Follow the instructions one time, and from there I can have my free for all. Okay, so that's 2 cards we've already done, and we're able to do that. If it wasn't for talking, we would do that in 12 minutes. But that's because I have to show and tell. If you hadn't done that, it would have taken less time. All right, so we're going to flip over to the 3rd card. Now this is just beautiful and foiled. See, the paper's doing all the work for you. That's what I like. I like it when the paper does the cardstock and all does all the work for me. So on this one, we're just stamping thank you on this little circle right here. And that is all the stamping that we're doing on this particular card. So how simple is that, right? Which I think you could have just done thank you on every one if you wanted to. Might have to have a few more circles. They have 1 extra in here. So they always have at least 1 extra, right? So if you mess up and you need to redo, you can. Or if you mess them all up, then you just flip it over and use the other side, right? Don't sweat the small stuff. That's small stuff. All right, so here we're going to, they have us putting these on. I'm looking to see if they show us. So if you look here, it's just really tiny, right? Just you can see that's just really tiny. And it's just showing you the little dots where they put the little dots on here. And I'm just doing it to adhere it to the back of the flowers here. Alright? So it's just making this look fuller. So they're actually just taking and putting some glue dots right here at the top. Not many, right? Not many at all. Just put a glue dot here. And get the pink one. Get the pink one here. Alright, they have you put a glue dot like right about here. And it's got here these little junctions here. So we got another one right here. And then we have another one right down here at the bottom. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to do the next one here on the green. So the same scenario, right? We're going to start off with a glue dot right up here, up in here. Alright, so you just have to look because they've got it like at junctions, right? And we have another one right here. Alright, and then we're going to turn around and we're going to adhere this back to the back here. So if you look at this here, they've got it flipped over backwards for you so you can see how it's going to go to the bigger flowers. So we're just going to take these off. And then we're going to flip it up and position it just like they've got on here. So right, you're going to make sure it just extends a little bit because everything's just sort of like this here. And then we do the same thing on the other side. And then also, and they'll use dimensionals actually to put the overall floral stuff on. So this one here, they have it looking sort of like right there. And you just have it sort of coming out from the side. So they don't have a lot of it out, right? They just have some of it out. We'll get some greenery there. Let's see how it looks when we flip it over. Okay, so you see it looks just pretty much like that. Now we're going to put our dimensionals on here. So you have a number of different dimensionals. So they're not only putting dimensionals here, but they're also some of these where they join together like here. So we're going to cross over like this here. So when you do this and cross over like this, it's going to anchor not only the big flower, but we're also anchoring down some more of the actual additional floral that we put here. Get some down here. I got quite a few on this one. And that's okay. We got plenty. There's always leftover. So this is actually leftover from a previous pack I've had before. So you can see we have plenty left over to use on other projects. So always save everything you get in the kit. That's what I usually tell people, to save everything you get in the kit. Alright, and then they have us doing 15 inches. Once we get this on, we're going to have 15 inches of ribbon to sit there and accent this as well. Alright, I think we got we've got everything they had there. Alright, now we're just going to peel off the back side. And we're going to put it on the card. And this one's done. So like these are just quick and simple cards. There's 9 to this kit. And I didn't show you the envelopes, but the envelopes are just as gorgeous. In fact, the envelopes just look like this here. Here's the envelope right there. There's the flap. So it's easy if you're ever concerned about, you've got misplaced your envelopes or misplaced something. All you got to do is go look for items that look similar, right? Okay, so we're just making sure we got everything punched out. That little piece right here. And it's just going to stay there, I think. Let's see here. So yeah, just look to see. This has just had one little piece right here. And the reason why it's stuck is because I put a dimensional on the back side of it. But we still see the greenery coming through. Alright, so we're just going to put this right here. And now we're going to take 15 inches of ribbon. And we're going to make our bow and put it on here with glue dots, right? So we need 15 inches. So this here is 13 inches long. I just need to add 2 more. So yeah, if you do sewing or whatever, this is no different, right? We've got these done in 1/4 inches, so you can easily measure out things like we did just then, and it's all available for you. So let's see how they're doing this here. They're just doing it like it's, it's like it's got a loop here, and we're crossing over, and we got another loop here. And I'm going to tie mine in a bow. That's just, for me, I can never do that loopity thing like that they do. So I'm just going to make mine real big like they want it, with my stuff extended out. Okay, so if that's too big for you, then shorten it down, because we're going to put this thank you right here over the top of it. We're going to use 3 dimensionals. They one at the top and 2 at the bottom. It's okay. As long as you just gently take it off, it'll work. Alright? And we're just going to take a thank you, and I'm just going to put it right here. It's like giving somebody a bouquet of flowers, and if it's too long for you, just trim it, right? It's easier to have too much and trim than it is to have too little, right, and you can't trim. I'd rather have too much and trim it than not enough. Alright, and they have us putting 3 embellishments on here as well, too. You got one down here, and then you get a couple up here. Just gives it that extra little sparkle, because I already got a sparkle. And there's our card number 3. So there you go. We were able in 12 minutes. If I wasn't talking and I was just doing in my do mode, right? It would take less time. So we did 3 cards in 12 minutes on live. And these are our cards. Just quick and simple. They're all thank you, and that way you can get out your thank you notes to people that give you things for Christmas, right? So with that, right, there's no reason we can't go out there, create, share, and give, right? Because that's what it's all about. So go out there, get your thank you notes out, and thank people that gave you Christmas gifts or did something for very special for you. It doesn't always have to be gifts, right? It could be something, somebody did a special favor for you. I have some people do special favors for me. It helps me out of the blue, and I wasn't anticipating it, right? So I send thank you cards. So that's why I never have thank you cards and birthday cards, because I'm always making them and sending them out. So go out there, create, share, and give, and make a difference, right? Because you can make a difference and touch someone's life. And we want to thank you for supporting us here, not only on Facebook, but also on YouTube and Instagram. And I look forward to seeing you on Saturday when Zoe and Nana are live at 2 o'clock p.m. Central Time. And we're going to have the new paper pumpkin kit that came out for the month of December. Be blessed, and look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.